We are already familiar the concept of composition of functions and some examples. Through this video, we can discuss some more examples and some problems related to the topic composition of functions. If f from a to b and g from b to c are two functions, then g composition f is equal to g of f of x for all x element of a. For by convenience, I am taking g composition f as g of f of g dot f of x. For my convenience, I am reading g composition f as g dot f. That is g dot f of x equal to g of f of x. Here we can see that the domain of the function f is a and the range of f is a subset of b. The second function g is defined from b to c. Therefore, the new function takes all the elements of a into c. That is called composition of f and g, and it is denoted by g dot f. Now we can take an example. Suppose that there are three sets a, b and c. A contain first three natural number 1, 2, 3. B containing the first three letters in English alphabet A, B, C, and C is another set having first three letters in Greek alphabet alpha, beta, gamma. Now we can define a function f from a to b like this: f of 1 equal to a, f of 2 equal to b, f of 3 equal to c. Now there is another function that is from b to c denoted by g. G of a is equal to alpha, g of b is equal to beta, g of c is equal to gamma. Now we can define a new function. These two functions make a new function that is from a to c, that is g composition f. That is g composition f of 1 equal to g of f of 1, that is g of a, that is alpha. Similarly, g of 2 is equal to beta, g of 3 is equal to gamma. Therefore, we can write g composition f, it is from a to c, defined by g composition f is equal to set 1 alpha, 2 beta, 3 gamma. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഒരു കാര്യം ശ്രദ്ധിക്കാം. ജി എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഫംഗ്ഷൻ എഫ് എവിടെ നിന്ന് ഏത് സെറ്റിലാണോ അവസാനിക്കുന്നത് അവിടെ നിന്ന് ജി സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്താൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് ഈ കോമ്പോസിഷൻ ഡിഫൈൻ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റൂ. അപ്പോൾ ജി കോമ്പോസിഷൻ എഫ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ ഡിനോട്ട് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മളിവിടെ ആദ്യം അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഫസ്റ്റ് വി അപ്ലൈയിങ് എഫ്, then we are applying the second function is g. That means if you find g dot f of 1, first of all we are finding the image of 1 under the function f. After that we are taking the second function as g. Similarly, if a, b, c are same, then we can define several composition. Let f and g are two real functions. That means it is from r to r. Then we can define g composition f of x as g of f of x, that is g dot f of x is equal to g of f of x. Similarly, we can define another composition f composition g, that is f dot g of x equal to f of g of x, and f composition f of x is equal to f of x, and finally g composition g of x equal to g of x. Similarly, we can define f dot f of x, etc. Several compositions are defined like this. Now we can take another example, that is f from r to r defined by f of x equal to 2x. Actually the word function means operations, that means doing some work. Here we can take an example, f of x equal to 2 into x. Here we can take a boy and a girl from our class, our virtual classroom. This boy doing a work that is doubling a number. That means if you give a number to this boy, he make this as 2 times the number, that is 2x. First of all, I am giving a number 2 to giving the number 2 to our boy. 2,
4,
3,
6,
10,
20,
x.
2x.
Yes. This is the work done by the first function, that is f. Now we can take another function, that is g. G is a girl of our virtual classroom. G is from R to R defined by G of x equal to x square. The work done by G is squaring a number. If you give a number to the girl, she makes it square. Then first of all, I am giving a number 2 to the function. 2,
4,
3,
9,
10,
100,
x.
x square.
Yes, this is the function, second function. Now we can combine these two functions and make the compositions. Yes. The first one is G composition f of x. That is defined as G of f of x. Now I am arranging the function in a particular order. The first, at first f, then g. That means first 2x, then x square. Now I am giving a number to the first function, that is f. 2,
4,
4.
16,
Yes, the output is 2, 16. Now I am giving the number 3 to the first function.
6, 36,
Yes. Now I am giving another variable x.
2x, 4x square.
Yes, 4x square is. Therefore, g dot f of x equal to g of f of x. That is g of 2x. That is 2x the whole square. That is 4x square. Now we can find f dot g of x. F dot g of x equal to f of g of x. That means here I am arranging first the girl, then the boy. Then I am giving the number 2 to the girl.
4, 8,
Yes, the outcome is 2, 8. 2 become 8. Now I am giving the number 3 to the girl. 3,
9, 18,
18. The result is 18. Now I am giving x.
2x,
ഒന്നുകൂടി ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. 2x ആണോ?
x square,
x square.
2x square.
2x square. Therefore, f dot g of x equal to f of g of x, that is g of x square, that is 2x square. Now we can find f dot f of x, that is f of x. Now first here I am taking both the function as f. There is no g. First is boy, second is also a boy. Now I am giving the number 2. 2,
4,
4,
8,
8. Okay, therefore 2 going to 8. Now 3,
6,
6,
12,
x,
2x,
2x,
4x,
4x. Therefore f of x equal to f of x, that is f of 2x, that is 4x. Now we are going to the last function, last composition, that is g dot g of x, that is g of x. Here I am arranging both the function as girl. There is both the function as g. There is no f. First of all, I am giving the number 2,
4,
2, 4, 4,
60,
3,
9,
9,
81,
81, x
square,
square,
x raised to 4.
x raised to 4. Therefore, g of x is equal to g of x square, that is x raised to 4. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ ഫങ്ഷൻസിൻ്റെ കോമ്പോസിഷൻസ് കാണാം. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ഈ ഫങ്ഷൻ്റെ കോമ്പോസിഷൻ കാണുമ്പോൾ പ്രധാനമായും ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ടത് ഫങ്ഷൻ ഏത് രീതിയിൽ അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്ത് വെക്കുന്നു എന്നാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ ജി ഡോട്ട് എഫ് ഓഫ് എക്സ് കാണുമ്പോൾ ആദ്യം എഫ് ഓഫ് എക്സ് കാണും, എന്നിട്ട് ആ ഇമേജ് ജിക്ക് പാസ് ചെയ്യുകയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. നേരെ തിരിച്ച് എഫ് ഓഫ് ജി ഓഫ് എക്സ് കാണുമ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് എഫ് ഡോട്ട് ജി ഓഫ് എക്സ് കാണുമ്പോൾ ആദ്യം ജി ഓഫ് എക്സ് കണ്ടതിന് ശേഷം അത് എഫ് ഓഫ് എക്സിന് പാസ് ചെയ്യും. അപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് ഫങ്ഷൻസിൻ്റെ കോമ്പോസിഷൻ എങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ കാണാമെന്നുള്ളതിന് ഈ ഒരു എക്സാമ്പിളിൽ നിന്ന് നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാക്കുവാൻ സാധിക്കും. In this topic, composition of function, you may usually get a question finding the composition of two functions. Here there are two functions. First one is f defined by ordered pair 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1. There is another function g defined by ordered pair 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 1. Our aim is to determine the function g composition f. Actually, this function is defined from the domain of f into the range of the function g. By our definition, g dot f of x equal to g of f of x. Here we can see that the function is from set f is from set 1, 3, 4 to set 2, 5, 1. G is from set 2, 5, 1 to set 3, 1. Therefore, we have to determine, first we have to determine g dot f of 1. That is equal to g of f of 1. By definition, it is g of f of 1. Here we can see that f of 1 equal to 2. Therefore, it is g of 2. That is, g of 2 is 3. Therefore, it is 3. Therefore, g dot f of 1 equal to 3. Now, g dot f of the second element in the domain of f is 3. Therefore, g dot f of 3, that is equal to g of f of 3. Here we can see that f of 3 is equal to 5. That is g of 5. That is g of 5 is equal to 1. Therefore, it is 1. G of 5 is equal to 1. Therefore, it is 1. Now, finally, g dot f of 4 equal to g of f of 4. That is, f of 4 is 1. That is g of 1. G of 1 equal to 3. G of 1 equal to 3. G of 1 equal to 3. Now we have to write it g dot f. That is equal to 1, 3, comma 3, 1, comma 4, 3. So the answer is g dot f is this. We can do the problem in another method, that is like this. We can draw an arrow diagram like this. Here the domain of f, that is 1, 3, 4. And the range of f is equal to 2, 5, 1. That is 2, 5, 1. And here is a function from this set into this set, that is f. There is another function g, that is from this set into is from 1, 2, 5, 2, 3, 1. Like this. Now, the first element in this 1, 2, then 3, 5, then 4, 1. Then the second set is, the second function is g, that is 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 1. Now, if you want to write g dot f, the first element is 1, 1, 3. Second element is 3, 1. Third element is 4, 3. Therefore, the answer is 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3. That is same as the previous answer. Position എങ്ങനെ കാണാം എന്ന കാര്യം മനസ്സിലാക്കി കഴിഞ്ഞു. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലായ്പ്പോഴും നമുക്ക് തരുന്നത് രണ്ട് ഫൈനൈറ്റ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ആവണമെന്നില്ല. ഏതെങ്കിലും രണ്ട് റിയൽ ഫംഗ്ഷൻസ് തന്നിട്ട് അവയുടെ കോമ്പോസിഷന്റെ ഫോർമുല കാണാനുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് വരാറുണ്ട്. നമുക്കൊരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ എടുത്ത് നോക്കാം. f of x equal to 8x cube. It is from R to R. There is another function, that is g of x, that is defined by x raised to 1 by 3. That is also a real function. Our aim is to determine f dot g, g dot f, and f dot f. First of all, f dot e of x, that means f composition e of x, that is equal to f of g of x. Here we can see that g of x equal to x raised to 1 by 3. Therefore the answer is f of x raised to 1 by 3. Now we know that f of x equal to 8 into x raised to 1 by 3. F of a equal to 8 into a raised to 3. F of x equal to 8 into x cube. F of a equal to 8 into a cube. F of b equal to 8 into b cube. Here we have to find f of x raised to 1 by 3. That is 8 into x raised to 1 by 3. Instead of this x, I am taking x raised to 1 by 3 whole cube. That is 8 into x. X raised to 1 by 3 cube means x. Therefore the answer is f dot g of x, that is f composition g of x equal to 8x. Now we can take the second question, that is g dot f of x, that is equal to, by our definition, it is g of f of x. Here that is g of f of x means 8x cube. That is g of x means x raised to 1 by 3. G of this means 8x cube. That is instead of x I am taking this part raised to 1 by 3. That is 8 raised to 1 by 3 means 2. X cube raised to 1 by 3 is equal to x. Therefore the answer is 2x. So g dot f is equal to decomposition f of x equal to 2x. Now we have to find f dot f of x, that is f of x, that is f of x, that is equal to f of ax cube, that is f of x means 8x cube, f of this means 8x cube, f of x means 8x cube, f of this means 8 into 8x cube. So we may get answer 8 into 8 cube into x raised to x cube means x raised to 9 is the answer. Okay, similarly we can find the g dot f, g dot g. Okay.